7-6 Vectors Day 2. Your learning goals are still the same, that you'll be able to represent and model with vector quantities, and that you'll be able to perform operations on vectors. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write a vector in terms of a rectangular coordinate. Or excuse me, we're going to be able to take a coordinate and write it in terms of I and j. And so, according to this tip, you're going to be given vector v with an initial point, which we call P1, and a terminal point, which is P2. And the position vector, you find that by finding, basically, you're finding the distance from your x coordinates, which is I, because remember I is the horizontal, and j is the vertical. Because this is going to help you find this part right here. That would be your A, and this will be your B. So example 1, it says let V be the vector from initial point P1, that's 3, -1. So that's x1 and y1, to terminal point -2, 5, which is x2 and y2. Write V in terms of I and j. So what that means is we're going to write it this will be I, and this will be j. So basically, you just have to plug in your values. V equals x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus a negative becomes positive j. So that'll be -5I plus 6j. You are done. Just a note, P2, P1 and P2, the order does matter. So make sure you know that P1 is the initial point and P2 is the terminal point. So don't switch them around.